შევკრათ პირობა ჩვენ გავხდა და ფიდლი ზამანია
Georgian cuisine is quite, like very diverse. So we have lots of vegetables, we have meat, fish, everything. So for example, I'm going to recommend you order like Badrijani, definitely. It's our best-selling cold starter. It's aubergines with grind walnuts with some Georgian spices. These are like the best, like very popular, must-be tried dishes. You cannot just go to the Georgian restaurant not have khachapuri.
You have to have it.
Sometimes when people don't order khachapuri and I try to convince them, we just give it. Because they have to have it. You cannot just let them go without having khachapuri.
Just finished the starters and the plates have been well scraped. And I've never eaten Georgian food and it's delicious. If the main course is as good as that, we're in for
For the main courses, I am going to recommend that you order our famous giant dumplings, khinkali.
Khinkali is the sort of the trademark Georgian food basis. It's these big dumplings, like pasta dumplings, and they're full of soup with meat inside, and you eat them in a particularly special way. If you don't eat them in that way, you look very silly.
Making this dough requires a lot of strength. That's why you need a strong man who can do it. Because this dough should be like a silk, in order to be able to put as many wrinkles as possible.
Someone was telling me earlier that the test of a good Georgian woman is the number of wrinkles on the top of the...
Yeah, I mean, the ideal one is 19.
19?
So we can count now, there will be more than 19 there. You grab this with your fingers and you have to bite a little because there is some juice inside, and this is one of the most delicious parts, the juice. You should not lose it. So you just bite it a little bit and then try to drink the juice, and then you can just carry on with the rest, which is meat and dough outside. But the juice is the most important part, so don't lose it because it is very delicious. Okay?
Very tasty.
I'm very bad at eating these. The juice has gone on the plate and not in my mouth, and I'm furious. I completely balls it up. Get me another one. What do you think? The first Khinkali.
It's excellent.
Oh, that's delicious. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's good.
What do you think?
Most people, that is good. This is good. You've got to have.